Before I get started on my video, I do want to say that my hair, this is Filipino hair. It is sponsored by Caleb Petrie Hair Co. This is Filipino 24-inch. It's loose wave, but I'll go ahead and leave her information in the description below so that you can go ahead and shop and get some nice Filipino hair extensions or a wig or possibly get your makeup done. Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys some tips and tricks on how to get celebrities to engage with you on Instagram. I did a survey on Instagram and asked anyone, asked people would this topic be something they're interested in, and a lot of people say yes. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys like a breakdown of different things you can do on social media to get your favorite celebrity, artist or whatever, basically to engage with you as an individual. And then I will give you guys a list of people at the end of this video who actually engage with me back. So first off, before I get into my story, let me make sure to remind you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Click the red button, subscribe to this channel, share it with a friend, whatever. Just get the word out there. So let's get started. So, how to get celebrities to engage with you on Instagram. So, what you do is you don't bug them. No, I'm kidding. No, so like the quickest way to get a celebrity to engage with you back is to either reply to something that they posted, to mention them in your story, to tag them. That's really about it. So, but let me start off by saying you have to get straight to the point when you're dealing with a celebrity. Like, you have to get straight to the point, whether you're selling a product or a service. You DM them exactly what it is. Like, don't be one of those persons that's like, hey, I do cartoons, DM me like on every single post. They'll just ignore you. But there's a lot of people on YouTube who actually have sent like 100 celebrities DMs to see who will respond. I didn't do anything like that. I've literally just kept everything organic, straight to the point. And I will say that a trick and a tip to getting celebrities to engage with you back on Instagram is, if they're like a music artist, it's simple. All you have to do is repost their new project that just dropped, a song or whatever, and tag them in it. It's that simple. Like Lyrica Anderson, she reposted me in her story, and Problem, the rapper from LA, he also mentioned me in his story. And I put it on my own page. His girlfriend, which is like one of the Wayans, she's related to the Wayans. She actually commented on my post. I have receipts. I have screenshots of everything that, I'm going to tell you guys about. So I'll actually post them at the end of this video so that you can see, like, wow, she was not lying. Okay. I don't really have too many tricks, but besides just, just get straight to the point, let them know, whatever, and they'll get back to you. If they don't, good luck. But let me tell you guys who actually has engaged with me back on social media. So I'm currently doing marketing for Tashera Simmons, which is DMX's ex-wife. And I got introduced to her through an app called Gen M. I wanted to do an apprenticeship with her. First, my message was declined. So I didn't know that though. So I went to her Instagram, her business page, and her personal Instagram. I wrote her DMs on both pages. I commented, And then I say about like 3 weeks later, she actually replied back and was like, hey, I'm just now seeing this. But yes, I would love to have you working with me and my team. Let me get back to them and we'll go from there. Sure enough, now I actually do marketing for Tashara Simmons. And then I was promoting for her podcast. It's called Freedom of Truth Podcast. And Chrissy Monroe, who was on Love and Hip Hop New York, they did an episode together on her podcast. I simply took some of the content that I was, using for her page, and I posted it on my personal Instagram, and sure enough, Chrissy Monroe liked my post. Another person that has engaged with me back is Kim Coles. Kim Coles used to be, she played Sinclair on Living Single. I didn't talk to her on Instagram though. I talked to her on this app called Gen M, where I actually do marketing. I go to school, apprenticeship, all that good stuff. So I just simply wrote her a message like, first off, let me start off by saying I'm a fan of your work. I really love your character, Sinclair and Living Single. My name is Danielle. This is what I'm looking to accomplish in an apprenticeship. Let me know if you would like to work with me. And she wrote me back like the next day and was like, hey, thanks for the nice message. Yes, I'm really looking for someone. I'm looking to change my persona from, Sinclair to I'm now a coach. And so, make a long story short, I was working up to, potentially work with her. But that didn't happen. But I still got to speak with her. Via message. She has my phone number if she ever wants to call me and, get on board. So another artist who I got to engage with me is Baby Blue from Pretty Ricky. So I just replied to one of his stories, something that he posted around like Christmas time or Thanksgiving. It was just a funny video of his mom, just acting up online. And I was just like, damn, she reminds me of my family. And he commented back. He put a heart back. Like he actually engaged with me back. Who else? Lil Terrio. The little ooh kill him. So I posted something about like an event that him and Lil Duty did together in Lil Blurry in Oakland like a few weeks ago. He liked my post. Simple. And my last one, you guys are probably gonna crack up about this. So if you know me, you know that I used to be obsessed with Eric Bellinger. And I don't know why I did this, y'all, but I took it amongst myself to post a video of me singing one of his songs. And I was in my on my words, I put, I used to be obsessed with Eric Bellinger before he dyed his hair blonde. Why the fuck did Eric Bellinger watch my video? So let me tell y'all, you got to be careful on what you're saying about these celebrities, because not all of them have other people running their Instagram accounts. Like some of them actually reply back. Like they actually engage with their followers because they know that's what they have to do in order to like keep that momentum going. So don't be like me and call yourself clowning somebody and they see it and yeah, whatever. But anyways, that was pretty much my story. I just wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks on what to do. And it's really simple. Whatever it is, just get straight to the point. Don't try to do it. Don't try to sell them anything because they're probably not going to buy it. Oh yeah, one more thing. There's this lady, she does like news reporting. I don't remember her name. She is on my clothing line page. I'll screenshot her too, whatever. But basically, she came across my clothing, this shirt, go get her clothing. She came across my clothing page and she commented and was like, oh, wow, that's cool. So I was like, who is this lady? Let me go to her page. So I go to her page. She didn't have a blue check, so I wasn't really tripping. But then I started realizing, like, hold on. She's around hella fucking famous people. She's a news reporter. And so, like, my thing is, if I can get someone famous like that to actually say something on my post, I'll be like, hey, let me know if you would like an outfit. I'll send it to you for free. It never worked, but, I mean, it's worth a try, right? So, those are my tips and tricks on how to get celebrities to engage with you back on Instagram or just social media in general. If I happen to find some more people that's engaging with me, I'll definitely make a part 2 to this video, but I don't want to overextend it and make it longer than what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video right now. But make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, comment, and let everybody know that Miss GoGator gave you some tips on getting celebrities to engage with you on Instagram. Thank you, everyone, and I'll be back for another video later on.
Where's your sauce? I'm drip that.